In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm subscribers on Convertkit. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or looking to refine your process, I'll guide you through all the necessary steps to ensure your subscribers are properly confirmed. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. It's always good practice to bookmark the page if you plan on using Convertkit frequently. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't yet registered, now's the time to create an account. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any login issues later on. After you've successfully logged in, your next move is to find your way to your landing page or form. In Convertkit, this is where all the subscriber magic happens. Usually there's clearly marked navigation, so you should have no trouble locating your forms and landing pages. Next, head over to the Settings tab. Here's where you get into the meat of subscriber confirmation. Under the Incentive section, you'll want to toggle on the Send Incentive Email option. This step is crucial as it automates the sending of confirmation emails to those who sign up, ensuring they follow through with verifying their subscription. After turning on the incentive email function, you'll notice an option to Edit Email Contents. Select this to begin customizing the confirmation email itself. Personalization is key here, so you'll want to create a clear and engaging subject line and body text. This is your opportunity to communicate why your content is valuable and worth the subscription. It's important to carefully explain to subscribers that they need to click the confirmation link to finalize their subscription. You want to make this as user-friendly and as clear as possible. Consider adding a friendly tone to encourage action. Include a distinctive button or link that says Confirm Subscription. You can customize the email's appearance to match your brand's aesthetics. Moreover, you have the option to redirect subscribers to a custom thank you page once they click to confirm. This can be a great opportunity to further engage them, maybe with a special message or additional resources. Remember, each customization step is geared towards enhancing the subscriber's experience. A well-thought-out confirmation email not only ensures compliance with email marketing best practices, but also sets the tone for your subscriber's journey with your brand. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your subscriber confirmations in Convertkit. So, dive in and start turning those subscriptions into meaningful connections today.